Hello, my name is Jose Riaño. This video is for English course. My initial situation was in the year 2013 when I traveled to Texas in United States. I traveled to carry out a study group at IAFA. I was for 3 months. Here I learned about communication and navigation of aircraft, practice at little English, and increase my physical performance. I was there in several amusement parks. I met Corpus Christi and many other places. I also met Paula. She has worked since she was little. She has studied, she has traveled, and she has known many wonderful places in this country. Paula has invited me several times to go again, but I couldn't because of my work. It was great to have visited that place, so I would love to return. So, thank you for the play attention.